Here's a TEMU purchase G63 model smart light sound machine. When you buy the sound machine from TEMU, it will be shipped like at least a week, and it comes in with the sound machine, that little box, the connector, the wire that you connect to plug it in to charge it, and that's it. It's very small, so don't expect a big item. It's very easy to operate. The manual is very tiny as well. So I am going to show you a quick rundown on how it works. The second button from the left with the black rubber on it, that's your turn on and off button. So that you push that, it turns on. And there's 4 buttons there. The 4th button from the left, that's where you change the light. So it does say in the box that it is supposed to be can be dimmer, like the light can dim, but I did not see any function to dim the light. So I will show you how the lights get changed as I click on it. It doesn't dim at all, so just so you know. But the colors are cool. Those are the colors that you will get. It looks much better when it's a bit darker. And it is also a wireless charger. So I have charged on the top my Z Flip 6 an Android phone. So it's a Samsung Galaxy Z Flip 6 Android phone that's being charged, and it does charge it. But again, when you charge it, the smart light needs to be connected to the power supply. Here is also a way to change the time. So basically, you don't have to change the time manually. Once you have paired your phone to the smart light sound machine, when you charge it, it will actually show the time on your phone. So you don't have to set it, but if you need to set an alarm, there are steps. I will show it very step by step, but to set the time, all you need to do is the third button from the left. You just click that third button from the left, and then the hour on the time will start flashing. So the first button will let you go down on the numbers, and the third button you can go up. And then as soon as you're done setting your hour, you click the second button, the one with the rubber, the one where you used to turn it on and off. And then now the seconds or the minutes will start flashing. So you can just set that minutes there by pushing the first button or the third button, so going down and going up. And then in order to set the times to stop the flashing, you click on the second button. And also, just to let you know, the time for this machine is set military time. So from 12, it goes 13, 14, up to 24. And I've tried, and there's no way to change it to a regular 12-hour time. So that is why you're showing 17:33, which is 5:33 p.m.